Hi, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and I just wanted to show you the final steps that I'm putting on the 300 diorama. I've mounted myself a little control panel on it with switches and main power, and I'm going to be putting some lights and some sound effects. I got a variety of different lights so I can have night and day lighting. I got myself a 12-volt transformer. I got this neat little digital recording module from Radio Shack so I can record different sounds and music and put that right in the diorama, and I'll switch that with this. So I've already started to do some of the wiring. I'm going to finish that up, put the different things in, and if you want to do something like this, you should use a soldering pencil, some solder, a electrical tape, and wire it all in, bring it all in, and do it all safe. Like I've got a fuse and a main switch in my control panel, so that'll be nice. So I'm going to do a little bit of that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks. There's the control panel, one of the speakers. If you look inside, you can see I got it all wired up here. Can't really see the lights that well when it's light out. That's the blue is the night lighting, and the brighter lights for day lighting. And the sound. So the diorama is just about done. I got some more work to do, and I really need to paint more miniatures, but we'll see. I'm looking forward to working on the next diorama. So here's the wiring I put in here. I drilled some holes. 12-volt power supply.